Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Maths Boss. Don't forget, as always, you can find us on X. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Today's video is all about multiplying fractions. So we're right at the top. Multiplying fractions. So when it comes to multiplying fractions, we've got three different cases. Your first case is simply 3/4 times 2/5. 2/5. So when it comes to multiplying fractions, the simple rule is numerator, the top number, times numerator, denominator times denominator. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 5 is 20. 6/20 can be simplified just by using the 2 times table to 3/10. Your answer is 3/10. The second case we have is when we have a fraction and we are multiplying it by an integer. So if we have 7/8 and we are multiplying it by, let's say, 5 whole ones. In this case, we need to realize that any integer can be written as a fraction as the integer over 1. So the new question becomes 7/8 times 5/1. Again, numerator times numerator, 7 times 5 is 35, 8 times 1 is 8. This is an improper fraction, so we need to change this to a mixed number. So we ask how many 8s go into 35, and that's 4 whole ones, and we have 3 left over 8. So our answer is 4 whole ones and 3 8s. Our third case is when we have a mixed number, say 2.5, times another mixed number. Let's call it 1 whole ones and 3/4. When we have this case, when we have two mixed numbers being multiplied together, we need to change them both to improper fractions to start the question. So to change improper fractions, we do the big number times by the bottom, 2 times 2, and add 1 as a shortcut. 2 times 2 is 4, add 1 is 5. So it's 5/2 times. In the same way we change this one, 1 times 4 is 4, add 3, 7/4. And now we do the same as we did here when we multiply fractions. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. 5 times 7 is 35. 2 times 4 is 8. Once again, oh look, by coincidence we have the same answer just above there. So we know how many 8s go into 35. It's 4, and we have 3 left over 8. Our answer once again is 4 whole ones and 3 8s. You can have a go at these three questions using the same three techniques that you saw here, and we'll see what answer you get. So, question number 1, you can try 5/6 times 4/9. Second question, 6 whole ones times 3 8s. And your last question can be 2 1/3 times 3 1/2. There you go. You can pause the video, have a go at these questions, and then I'll go over them for you and we'll see what kind of answers we get. Okay, let's see what people said, and let's see what kind of answers we've got here today. So, the top one, the first question, top times top, numerator times numerator, 5 times 4 is 20, 6 times 9 is 54. Simplify your answer. You can use 2 times table. We can just simply half the answers here. So we get 10 over 27. And our final answer is 10 over 27. Next one, again we have an integer times by a fraction. So this is written as 6 over 1. 6 times 3 is 18. 1 times 8 is 8. We can simplify it first before we change it. So it becomes 9 over 4. And this can be changed into a mixed number. How many 4s go into 9? So it's 2 whole ones and 1/4. Third question. Change both to improper fractions. 2 times 3 is 6, add 1 is 7. 7 over 3 times 7 over 2. 7 times 7 is 49. 3 times 2 is 6. We ask ourselves how many 6s go into 49, and that's 8. We have 1 left over out of 6. Your answer is 8 whole ones and 1/6. And there's your last answer. I hope you managed to get these 3 correct. And there it is. Once again, thank you for watching and see you on the next one.